Welcome to problem number 25 from the August 2015 Algebra Regions exam. In this question we've got a set of data here. We're comparing the number of days to the height of a plant. And it says the plant continues to grow at a constant daily rate. Write an equation to represent h of n, the height of the plant on the nth day. So there's actually two different answers you can give for this problem. Now for the first one, if we're going to be using the format y equals mx plus b, which would make sense because we know it's increasing at a constant rate, we can find the slope by taking a look at the height and notice that it's increasing by 1.5 each time. So it's going to be 1.5x. Now to figure out the b value, we can replace x and y with one of these numbers. Of course, the days are x value and the height is our y value. So let's pick the first one here. I'll replace x with 1, so it'll be 1.5 times 1, and I'll replace y with 3. And we just have to figure what the b can be to make this equation true. And it would have to be 1.5 because 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. Okay, and so that means our equation is going to be, and I'm going to replace y with what it should be, h of n. And it's going to equal 1.5, and not times x, we're going to use n for the number of days, plus 1.5, because we just figured out that b value is 1.5. Now there is another equation you could get for this, and it is h of n equals 1.5 times n minus 1 plus 3. And we can test this out. If we, well, for example, we take a look at the first day, we would do 1.5 times 1 minus 1, which is 0, and 1.5 times 0 is just 0, so it becomes 0 plus 3. And that is the height we were going for. And again, we can test with the next one. We would do 1.5 times 2 minus 1, and that's 1.5 times 1, which is just 1.5. Plus 3, and we do get the correct height, 4.5. So we can see there's actually two different possible equations that work for this. We've got this one here and this one here. All right, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for visiting JD's Regions Preparation.